right, the next secret. Mr. Keith Malone. Now, when it's a secret, who knows the secret, Ethan?
You.
Only the character. So Christian at the beginning of the mystery been the only person to know that secret, but he didn't know that secret, so he had to find it out as everyone else found it out. Interesting. Okay, and who's this again?
Keith Malone.
Keith Malone. Okay.
The only reason you were cast for your part in Liverpool Lane, is that like a show?
He's an actor, soap opera.
Is that the producers desperately needed to attract the teenage audience and were sure the teens would find your gorgeous face irresistible. So, your looks are all you have right now, and you're spending most of your money on expensive beauty lotions and potions. Anti-aging is a real focus of yours since you're little or a lot older than you claim.
Okay. So what's his secret again?
The only reason he was cast is because he has a gorgeous face.
Oh, okay. So he's a pretty boy. Okay. All right. Thank you.